Patrice, you come from a legacy with Pat Catans. Why do you think craft stores are a dying art?
Well, craft stores are a dying art because the amount of people that are available in the marketplace in designing is very few. The craft of teaching floral design came way back from when my father started in 1954 after World War II. And it was a cottage industry to make money. So what happened? All of a sudden, everything revolved in a different manner, and craft stores become part home decor. And they're not teaching designing within the stores, which makes it very hard for people to be educated in what they like to do.
Do you think it comes down to a supply demand where not enough people were wanting to get the yarn or get the designs, get the patterns, the fabrics, or do you think more so the stores stopped supplying it so people just didn't have an interest?
I think the stores are supplying it. I see different things on YouTube and other social media platforms. They show designing, but like in a real quick motion. Mm-hmm. You can't teach that. It's cute to watch because I know what they're doing, but it isn't cute for the person that wants to do it. They're doing quick hits just to get the subject out there, but these people that are doing the quick hits are talented, but you have to know the process of how to get where they got. And you know, that's balance and size of the container and colors that are needed and the type of flowers that are needed to make a design. You just don't go in with all round mums and hope you're making a design. You can't do it that way. You need, it's like doing a display for a show and actually educating why you've placed everything in this manner to create balance and beauty of what you're purchasing. Home decor is very big.
Yes.
Everybody's interested. Nobody understands where you put a flower arrangement and when. Why? Because they're not taught. You know, you don't take a living room that has all blue and make a blue centerpiece. You look at a picture and you say, oh, there's yellow in it. Okay, I'm going to do a yellow centerpiece because it's going to bring out the entire room. That's how you connect as a decorator. No different than when you design. Proportion, size, height is according to the area that you're working in. We need more educated people, talented people in designing. They're not there anymore. When we were in business, all of our stores had designers. So when a client came in and was looking for something for their home, they were guided or they ordered it and we made it for them. So basically, right now, it's a lost art.